Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner and your profile page will be displayed. Now, it is important that you have a creator or business account. In order to get one, tap on the hamburger menu, access settings, and then open the account tab. Inside it, tap on the switch feature and switch to either creator or business. Once done, go back to your profile page, select any post, and then tap on the three dots icon at top of it. A menu will slide onto your screen. Simply select Archive, and the post will be archived. In order to unarchive it, tap on the hamburger menu again and select Archive. Now, all of your archive posts will be displayed. Simply select the target post, tap on the three dots, and select Show on Profile. If I go to my profile now, you can see that the post is back. So that's basically how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.